She needed help. So I brought her here.
Baby girl! Oh my god. Paw Patrol, are you okay? I'm so sorry.
One, two, three, let's switch this up.
Guys, look, it's a moose. Oh my gosh. Look, a zebra. Oh, how cute. Look, a tiger. Oh. Look, a camel. Guys, look, a salamander. A chicken. Look, a cantaloupe. Look, a turtle. Look at the hip. Guys, we're inside a tree.
We need... They're old enough too.
Oh my god!
Nighttime! Nighttime! Daytime! Nighttime! Daytime! What are you doing? I'm gonna get...
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
So come on, let me see you get gone. Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it off. Turn it off.
If she a baby mama.
Go ahead.
Bitch, I look like I'm fresh off the runway. Bitch, I go crazy the dumb way.
Come on.
Oh, he's third.
Come here. Oh my god. Come on. Oh dear god. Ow! Jesus fuck! Ow!
What did he do?
Bro, fucking Christ. Hi. Oh, hello. Hi, aren't you precious? Come here. Get the flies off you.
But as soon as it ended, another one, and then another one, and pretty quickly. I was like,
Shredder.
okay, something
Come on, dude.
happened. This is not normal. And yeah, just tracked it down.
It's so cute.
Did you not?
Oh my god, it's so cute.
No.
Stop, boy.
Text or anything?
Not my eyes. Shredder, my eyes.
So you saw all kinds of people saying, "What's up, Ethan?"
That shit don't even make no fucking sense.
Sing, my angel!
You are fine. Cut it out. Oh, man.
Wow, Gwen, I love your bracelet. Who's it by?
Versace.
Versace? Wow, I love it.
You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be tip-top shape and tapping toes and fly. You're gonna act awesome and self-assured. We're gonna seem contemplative, nonchalant, and bored. Oh my god, she's such a faker. So we just went to Starbucks. She literally just drank ice water, and look at her.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a friend.